Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Dear Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see our today's topic. Unit 1, Reading, Word Meaning and Synonym Antonym. I am telling again, Unit 1, Reading, Word Meaning and Synonym Antonym. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 2 and SW number 1. That means this is our first SW. My dear students, in these connections I request all of my students of class 2 to open this book. This book's name Buzzword book. You all know. Unit 1, the title is The Monkey Band. So look, it is very fantastic to look at. It is The Monkey Band. Okay, page number 1. Dear students, look here. There is a picture and the title is Monkey Band. We all know that band is a group of people who play music together. This is the definition of a band. Now there are some musical instruments. Number 1 is guitar, 2 drum and number 3 is piano. So at first we will read the text carefully. So look here, Mowgli. The name is Mowgli was a little boy who lived in a jungle. He was walking through the jungle one bright morning, singing a merry song. On the way, he met his friend Balu the bear. Okay, so look here, the name of the, Balu here, the name of the bear. Balu, the name of the bear. Next, what a beautiful song, said Balu. I wish there was some music for your song, but I can play any music for you. Dear learners, this is the conversation between Mowgli and Balu. So look little bit below. Suddenly there was a sound in the branches above them. Balu and Mowgli looked up. So in this connection, so look at the picture. Okay, they are the Balu, that means the bear, and the Mowgli is walking in the jungle. Balu and Mowgli looked up. It was the monkeys howling and shrieking. Monkeys howling and shrieking. So in their learners, so look at the word, this howling. Howling means making a high and loud sound. And little bit later, another word meaning is shrieking. Shrieking means making a high and loud sound. So look at the word meaning shrieking, making a high and loud sound. The monkeys always made a lot of noise. We heard you, they chattered. Okay, that means the monkey talked and making a loud noise. This is the meaning of chatter. We can play music for you. But how can you play music? You don't have guitars, drums or any musical instruments like that, said Balu. The monkeys just laughed. We don't need any of them, they cried. The monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree lying on the ground. Dear learners, in these connections I want to show you a picture. So look here. Okay, here we can see a hollow trunk of an oak tree. So look here, where the monkeys jumped. Now lying on the ground, they hit it with their hands and made a nice sound, dub, bak, dub, dub, ba, dub, like this one. Okay, now we will go to our next page. So look here, some of them brought dried gourds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Rattles means toys that make loud sound and when they are shaken. Chang chang, chang changa chang. A few monkeys tied some vines to a few branches and began to play them like guitars. Twang tong they went, twang tong, twang tonga tong, like this. What a wonderful music band you make, exclaimed Mowgli. So look here, that means they are dancing. So Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played along with him. The sound of the band was so good that Balu had to dance and sing to Boppe Do and Boppe Do this one. The last one is what a lovely time they had, and the story was written by Rudyard Kipling. Now dear students, okay, look at board. I have given here some selected word meanings. So look at the first one, it is Mary. Look at the first one, it is Mary, M-E-R-R-Y, Mary. Look, Mary. Mary means happy and full of joy. Look at the meaning, happy means, Mary means happy and full of joy. Next, shrieking. Look, only the selected word meaning you will learn. Shrieking, making a high and loud sound. Next, hollow. Next is hollow, a hole of empty space inside something. There are 3 selected word meanings here. Now we will go to next page. Here 2 word meanings are given. Here is vines. So look, it is vines, okay. Now stems of climbing or trailing plants. Last one is exclaimed. So look, said something loudly to show surprise. These are the 5 word meanings. Dear students, look here. Our homework is word meaning selected. Only the selected 5 will be your homework. And this one you will submit on next Saturday. Now our another segment is left, that is synonym and antonym. Look, only 4 synonym and antonyms are given here. So look here, the title synonym and antonym. What? Synonym, antonym. Number 1 is hollow. Look at the word hollow. Then synonym, empty. Hollow means empty, and the antonym is solid. Okay. Now wonderful, synonym amazing, antonym awful. Word suddenly, synonym abruptly. Look at the word abruptly, and antonym is gradually. What is it? It is gradually. Next, bright. This is our last synonym antonym. Bright, synonym is shiny, and the antonym is dull. I am telling again, hollow, empty, solid, wonderful, amazing, awful, suddenly, abruptly, gradually, bright, shiny and dull. These are our 4 synonym and antonyms. Dear learners, I am telling you again, so look at the end of our board, it is written homework. I have already told, but I am telling you to have importance on this. This is our homework. Word meaning selected. Okay, look here, there are 3 word meaning in this space, and here there are 2 word meaning in this space. That means in total you have 5 word meanings. How many word meanings as your homework? 5 word meanings as your homework. Dear learners, I hope all of you have understood the chapter The Monkey Band, Unit 1, and we have read here the word meaning and synonym antonym. My dear students, keep practicing at home and do your homework properly and submit it on next Saturday. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.